Wow. Just wow. This amazes me. So we're gonna wash this up also with the old toothbrush and Dawn dish detergent. Give it the bath, see how much just regular grime we can get off. Um, we'll see what else I can do with this. I mean, I might be able to use some apple cider vinegar. I might need to just sand some of this off with extremely fine grit sandpaper, like 2000 grit. We'll see what we're gonna be able to do with this. But like I said, this is not your typical just disassembly, reassembly video. This is how to seriously maintain your tools. So, all right, let's see what's next.